welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. It's really cold right now, but we are about to go. My kids don't even know, so I'm trying to say it before they get out the car. We're about to go to Sloomoo Institute, the slime exhibit here in Atlanta. This is what it looks like on the outside, in case you intend on going. It just looks like this. We were so confused, but this is the building. I'm so excited. My kids, of course, they don't know, but they're going to be so hyped up when they see where we're going. Okay, y'all, we're going somewhere fun.
Or Chorloo. The Y is up to you. Use one of our name tags to wear your new name for today. But before you indulge in the sensory world of play, exploration, and joy, we have a story. It's about Sloomoo the character. Our cute little big-eyed baby is made of
So what's this doing? Oh, I think we're just watching a video. You like the slime? This one smells so good. This whole one smells so good. It smells sweet.
Thank you, Daisy.
Extra slime! Extra slime! Extra slime! Extra slime!
We are about to make our slime. Put charms. Okay. Wow. Slime place. We can walk in it.
I put my pants up.